We are 6 months into the year. Show a pic for every month. Instagram change story. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. In this video, I will show you how you can do this viral trend and where you can find it. So keep on watching. First of all, you will have to go to your Instagram app, go to your search bar from the top of the screen and search for Ali and John YTT. This is my profile here, so once you get here, you will have to go to June dump at highlights. If you go to my story, then you have to know that it will expire in 24 hours, so you may not find it there. Click on June dump. If the highlights are not loading, don't worry because I have a YouTube tutorial for this problem in the description box below. Now click on the Add Yours button. And also, if you are not able to click on the Add Yours button, I have a YouTube tutorial in the description box below. Now we just have to go to our uploads and choose our first photo. So we have to choose a photo from January, then one photo from February, March, May, and so on. First, I will go with this one. Now you can place it where you want, make it bigger or smaller. And you can do this with your two fingers like you would zoom in and zoom out. Now to add the second photo for February or a third photo for March, April, you can go to stickers from the top of the screen and click on this plus icon, and it will get you once again to your gallery and you can add your photos. And then you can share it with your friends. So guys, if you have any questions, you can comment in the comment section down below and I'll make sure to answer to them as quickly as possible and help you out. You can also like this video if it was useful and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.